Ecomaman Infant School is big into looking after their environment in as many ways as possible. The school operates a green and red light bulb scheme to indicate who's turning the lights off and who's not. They litter pick and recycle paper, have made a greenhouse out of plastic bottles, have changed the taps in the children's toilets so they automatically close when they're not in use, and have introduced water hippos into toilet cisterns so that less water is needed for flushing. And that's not all. The pupils continue to do loads of work on the garden areas around the school grounds, tending to the new garden which they have helped to transform from boring concrete, and even changed the layout of their canteen to make a friendlier environment. The children are the ambassadors of tomorrow, and they continue to work hard and have fun to look after the environment.